friends, and welcome to my channel, Smile There's Wine. Emily here. Hope everyone's doing fabulous out there. Today I have a lovely little bubbly to, break in this new holiday season coming up. Super excited. Anyways, also excited because you clicked on this video and you know that we are going to be opening up Walmart stuff. So excited. Cheers. Pour yourself a drink. So I was, doing my weekly Walmart grocery order on my phone, and cutest jacket pops up from the free assembly clothing line at Walmart. And I was like, what is this? I have to have it. So I click on it, and of course, it's already sold out. They don't have it in my size. But, hello, they had so many cute, adorable things. I had to place an order. So excited to share it with you guys today. If you've never heard of this free assembly label, it's a clothing label through Walmart, I guess I can say. And you're not going to find it like at your normal super Walmart. So I always go into my super Walmart. They've got really cute stuff, but they're not going to have this label. So this is only online, and I'm really excited to open up. Hopefully there are some super cute things in here that I can share with you all today. I have several boxes. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below. So if you find something you love and you want to order it, just go ahead and click down below. I don't want to talk too much because y'all know me. I start talking and I just don't stop. But pour yourself a glass and we will do this together. All right? Cheers, YouTube. Okay, so I just opened up this first box. Oh my gosh. Are we thinking Clueless? Are we thinking Alicia Silverstone with this print? Hello, we totally are. And it is all coming back, you guys. And this bag is impossible to break into. Okay, here we go. Yes, it is all coming back. This cute plaid, this bright colors. Oh, look at this. What is this? Let me show you. This is a jacket, people. This is a blazer. So cute. These little gold buttons. Yes, has some shoulder pads. We're going to see how this fits. This is a size medium, so we'll see what that looks like. I just thought this would be super fun with a pair of jeans. It could be so dressed up. It could be great. It's going to be great for spring, this bright color. Yes. Or like all black. It's bright yellow. Try that on. Fun. Okay, next is, this gave me a lot of like picnic summer patriotic vibes. Look at this cute print. Very peplum. I love a good peplum. Hides the nice little mommy tummy. Kind of cuts down. Has a little hook enclosure here. I am excited about this. This is adorable. Also very cute for spring and can transition well into summer. And love the red, white, and blue. Little bit of yellow piping running through it. So cute. Okay, next are these pants. When I saw these pants, I was like, perfect for Christmas. Oh my goodness. So one thing that Free Assembly does is they take these patterns, this material, and they make multiple different design things with the kind of material. So for example, in this pattern, they actually had some dresses, they had some skirts, they had some different things going on. But I just thought these cropped kind of like work pants were just amazing, super cute. I think it would be great with a black turtleneck, and just so cute for Christmas. You could dress it up or dress it down. This is Free Assembly, and this is a size 6. So cross your fingers, I'll fit into these. That would be so sad because that was one of the items I was really excited about. Okay, next, I'm not too sure about this next piece. It has this collar that is very popular right now. I'm seeing this kind of like larger collar, even bigger than this, everywhere with the zipper closure. What is this exactly? It is a long sweater dress. Now, I think the sweater dress trend is super cute. I think it's great for winter because you can still look dressed up but be warm. And I did choose this nice cream kind of color. And I did size up, I believe. Yes, I sized up to a large just because I don't want it super form-fitting and tight. If that's something you're going for, then you may not want to size up. Maybe just do your original size. I don't know. We will see how all these things fit. Next, oh my gosh, I'm getting like ski resort vibes, 80s style. Like, oh my goodness, how cute is this? Also super cute for spring because it is still cold in spring, right? Like, it's still cold days. And this is so cute, but I literally feel like I should be at a ski resort sitting by the fire because I don't ski. Dangerous things in me, we just don't. I just don't want to break anymore. I'm at the age where I'm like, breaking does not seem fun. But yes, you could find me by the fireplace with like, you know, some kind of warm beverage in hand. So cute. Fun. Now, in terms of jeans, I'm a little bit more picky. I definitely like to buy jeans that, more name brands, things that are going to fit really well. Like, I'm really picky with my jeans and how they fit me. But they did have a pair of jeans. This is called the Super High Crop Wide Leg. So it's this new, you know, light wash. Cropped. We shall see. I have not had as much success with these kind of pants in the past, but you just never know. So we will try those on. We will see how those go. This says it's 8 short. So, I'm pretty tall, but I do like the crop look. So we will see how short that crop is. If you follow me, you know, I've got some things with the length of the pants. It's gotta be perfect. Okay. This is very similar to this pattern. See? See what I'm talking about? Oh my gosh. Don't think I'd necessarily pair this together, but look how cute this little sweater is. Again, perfect for Christmas. Green and black. Put it on with a black skirt, black pair of pants. So super cute. Then there was something pink, and I'm not too sure about this because this is definitely like a bubblegum, bright bubblegum pink, which would be great for spring. The quality of this, all of these things feel really good too, I should say. Sometimes when we think of Walmart, we're like, ooh, I don't know about quality. Look at this cute little shoulder. It's kind of got this pin tuck going on in it, so it's going to give it a little bit of a poof. So this is cute. So spring. Love it. Fun. Next, what is this? Plum purple. Same type of pin tuck thing going on up here on the shoulder. And kind of just has like this whole purple. Cute. Just like a little purple sweater. Short sleeve. Love it. Okay, next we're thinking holiday. And I'm not sure about this, but this is just a very bright red turtleneck. So this could be really cute. You could come up with some fun things with this for Christmas. So we'll see how that looks. Okay, here is another. I must be just really into the Christmas vibes because this is so cute. Green, another little sweater vest. This one has some more details right here with the string on the sleeve. There's some string action happening kind of down the back. Or maybe in the front, not really sure. Long, this feels like really nice quality. Again, super adorable. All right, we are back. So, I was just with you, but when I wasn't with you, I was trying all these things on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in a little video here of my try-on as we talk about all of these things. I'm so excited. So I bought a total of 11 Walmart items. By the Free Assembly brand, it came to a total of $377 and some change. So a lot, but for 11 pieces, not too bad. But we're going to be sending some things back. So let's chat about what we have. We're going to go ahead and start with more of like the Christmas themed items since that's our holiday that's going to be approaching soon. So first let's talk about this, a Free Assembly sweater. It's super cute. I really liked it. I thought it was kind of basic but fun. This went for $24. I think it's a great price, great quality. It fit well. It was in the size medium and I really like it. So it is on the maybe list. Super cute. Next was this green sweater dress. Now, I have a little bit of a hard time with sweater dress. I definitely had to put on some shapewear. Speaking of, friends, I need your help. What is the best shapewear for Mamas that got a tummy. But anyways, yes, I tried on this green dress. This is so cute, you guys. And I think if you have the body and the confidence to pull something like this off, you should totally do it. I really loved just the festive green color of it. I really loved the little details of the ties at the back and on the cuffs. I thought it was a great length. I did size up in this to a large just because I do not like that bodycon clinging experience. It just does not make me feel comfortable. But I think this was a great dress. I'm probably going to pass on this just because, again, I did not feel my best in this. But I think this is great quality. And if this is something that you're looking for, especially for the Christmas season, I think that this is an awesome, awesome dress. Next, we're going to go ahead and jump into this basic red turtleneck. And you guys know what? I love this because it is so festive. It's just that beautiful Christmas red, which we all can get behind this time of year. And you can really do so much with this. It was just a nice light layering piece, so it could be great under a lot of things. It doesn't have much stretch to it, but it does feel like light quality, but good quality, if you know what I mean. So this red, let me see my notes. My red turtleneck, $18. I think it's a great price, and I'm definitely going to keep this because I think I can do a lot with it. And with Valentine's Day approaching as well, I can do some fun things with that. All right, next are these green pants. Oh my gosh, I love these. These did not fit. I'm going to take these back, which is really great about anything you order on Walmart.com. You can easily return it to a super Walmart near you and just show them your phone and your order on your phone, which is so easy, and they scan it, boom, done. So I usually go into my super Walmart like every other weekend. So I'll just be taking these back, not a big deal. And I am going to be sizing up. So I ordered a 6 in these, and it was just a little tight, but I absolutely loved the fit. The length, the style. I think this is so adorable. Okay, so now let's talk about this white sweater dress. I actually love this. I kind of styled it a few different ways. We have family pictures coming up, and I'm wanting to do kind of like a very muted color palette. So creams, beiges, grays, and of course I have my daughter's outfit, my son's outfit, and my husband's outfit picked out, but can I find anything for myself? Always the situation, right? So I'm thinking hopefully this will work. I'm going to play with some different things and lay it out and look at the whole color concept. But what I love about this sweater dress is it was not clingy. So opposite compared to the bodycon kind of green dress, I just felt like this fits so well. Let me see if I sized up in this one as well. I did. I sized up to a large, but it was just really comfortable. I think the collar added some fun detail along with the zipper. And I kind of really loved the bottom, how it had like a little bit of a wider band at the bottom. Kind of just shaped you in a little bit. You'll notice I added a belt, added a cardigan. So I feel like in those tall boots, like I think I can, and a hat, I think I can play with it and hopefully make it work. If not, I could see myself wearing this to work, and this is going to be in the stay pile. Okay, on to this super cute little 80s at the ski lodge sweater. Really great quality. The neck was good. Sometimes I have a hard time with certain turtlenecks. This was not so tall that had to be folded over. It's almost just already kind of folded over for you in the thickness. So it was fine for me. I really loved it. This was $35 and I think really quality. And so I'm going to be keeping this as well. Super duper cute. Stocking up for winter. Oh, hi. I just wanted to kind of pop in here a minute and, you know, break into this little video and just say, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Have you? It's super easy. Just take your finger and just hit that red subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. I told my best friend, I'm like, you got to subscribe to my channel. And she's like, well, how much does it cost? I'm like, no, girl. All you got to do is just hit that button. It's free. It helps out my channel. I'd be super duper appreciative of it. And then when you go to YouTube, you get to see me. I'll pop up. It'll be super fun. So if you haven't done that yet, I'd be super grateful. If you like me and you like what you see, you should subscribe. Okay, so now the color combination palette kind of changes up a little bit, and we're heading to more like those spring colors. So this was just this super cute little purple short sleeved, let's call it more like a 3/4 length sleeve, little sweater. I thought this was so soft, so cute. Great quality. This purple sweater was $22 and I think I'm going to keep it. I think I absolutely loved it. Yeah, I think this is also going to be a keeper. I think I'm in trouble is what's happening. Walmart has done great things. On to something I'm not going to keep, which I thought I loved, was my Alicia Silverstone Clueless jacket. I think it's cute. I do really love and appreciate it. I just felt like the fit was a little off. Like I wish it was a little bit more tapered and fitted at the bottom. And I know I'm being a little picky with that, but this coat is, let me make sure, this coat is $50. This cardigan, or it's not a cardigan, but this blazer is $50. So if I'm going to pay $50 for something, I got to make sure that I absolutely love it. And it is in the size medium, so I don't think sizing down is going to change that because it fit in the arms. So I feel like the medium was a good fit. I just think that there was something off about it for me. So I will be passing on this. Next, you will see this super cute pink little sweater. Same thing happening as with the purple sweater. It has this cute little pink sleeves with the little pin tuck. I think this is adorable, very soft, seems like great quality. I'm up in the air on this one. It's hard for me to get behind like super spring bubblegum pink colors right now when we're not even in Christmas time yet. I like it, but I think I'm probably just going to go with the purple one and then send this back. This was $22. Okay, now let's talk about these jeans. These were the super high cropped wide straight, size 8 short. So they fit, so the 8 fit, but because they say short, I'm feeling like they were a little short. I really did love the fit otherwise, in the hips and the bottom, and everything else. So I'm going to probably go online and see if instead of short, they have a regular and see if that crop comes down a little bit. Again, it'll be super easy to do a return and then super easy to reorder. And I think that's almost it. Last but not least is this really cute little short sleeve peplum top. Kind of very Americana. I'm getting a lot of Taylor Swift's Americana vibes. So cute. I really love this. I know we're not in the right season for this, but I think that I will pull for this in spring. I love the light material. It could even work for 4th of July parties. I think it is just so super cute. And this was $26. So I'm probably going to keep this. So with that being said, I think that was quite a haul, quite an amazing haul. I'm very, very excited. I got a lot of things. I thought I was going to be sending more things back, but looks like we kind of scored this time, so yay. All right, friends, well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, everything is linked below. If you fell in love with something, feel free to click on it. It'll take you right over to the Walmart app, not really the app, the Walmart link, right? And otherwise, I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers to you, cheers to me, and I'll see you later. All right, bye.